Hi, I'm John, the Twisted Cuber. This is my 50th video. I want to give a big shout out to my subscribers, viewers, friends, and family for their support. Thank you very much. It means a great deal to me. To celebrate this milestone, I'll be going a bit extreme here. And what I mean by that is today I'm going to be showing you how to solve the Skewb Xtreme. Before we begin, I hope you'll hit the like, subscribe, and notification buttons. Let's begin. The Skewb Xtreme works very much the same way as a normal Skewb. They're both mechanically very similar. They're both corner turning puzzles. The difference is these stickers that they have on the centers as well as the corners. These stickers make for a much more difficult solve on this puzzle than it is on a normal Skewb. Alright, let's scramble this up. As you can see, I have a visitor. Zsa Zsa decided to come over when I started my shoot to provide moral support and to supervise from a more strategic location than she did the last time she was here, both of which are greatly appreciated. Alright, the puzzle is now scrambled. As with the regular Skewb, we'll start with the white layer. We'll be matching up the white corners with the white center. This will be done part intuitively and part with algorithms. When you're placing the corners, you need to make sure that these colors that are on the sides of the corner here match up with the corresponding colors on the centers. Now you're going to find that there are two sets of each color, the pink and the light green here, you have them on both sides here, and then you have the light purple and teal on these sides here. So this one is pink and light green, and we're just going to bring this up like so, and this corner is now matched up, and we have a couple other corners we can work with here. This one is also pink and green. That's pink and light green. That's also pink and light green, so that can be brought up. And again, we have this one intuitively. That one's all set. And we're going to take a look at this one here, which is teal and the light purple. Now if you bring that up like so, you'll see it does not match, so that does not work. So what's going to happen is it needs to go here, and if you try to bring it up like so, that also doesn't match because this isn't rotated. So bring that back, and this is where you're going to use one of the two algorithms that we have to solve this step. And in this case, you're going to be looking to have the white on the either the left or the right facing you. In this case, it's on the right, and you'll be performing this algorithm. And when you're performing this algorithm, you're going to be holding this center here, the one you're turning, the bottom center, and the front center here. And as you can see on the algorithm, I have the actual moves, but I also have the direction in which this is going, which is up, up, down, and that's what I'm going to be using to describe this when I'm doing this. Up, up, down. And as you can see, this piece is matched up, and this one was unimpacted. And we're going to look for the final corner here, which is right here. So what you're going to need to do with that is we are going to bring it down like this, and that's going to be on the left, and we're going to be using this algorithm. It's going to be the same thing. I've got on the screen both as the algorithmic moves as well as the direction that I'm turning the piece. And in this case, you're again going to be holding the front center, the bottom center, and the center you're turning. Up, up, down. And as you can see, this is matched up, and all of the corners are now matched up with the white center. Next, we're going to be placing the remaining centers in relation to these colors here that are on the white corners. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the bottom center, and it is purple. So we're going to rotate the puzzle so the purple is facing you, and you're going to perform this algorithm, which is the mirror of the Sledgehammer algorithm that is used on the Skewb. And same thing, we're going to be holding the centers that we're turning, the front center, and the bottom center. Up, up, down, down. And as you can see, this is now matched up with the corners here. And we're going to take a look and see what our next center is, and in this case it is red. So we're going to turn this so we can have the red facing us here, and we're going to be repeating the algorithm. Up, up, down, down. And the red is now matched up, and we're going to look again. We have green, and we have green in front of us, and we're going to be repeating the algorithm. Up, up, down, down. And that one's now set. And we're going to see we have blue, and this is the scenario we want where we have the yellow and the one that's going here ready to go. Now when we're getting to this point, the reason this will work is, as you can see if you look, this is flipped, and that's okay, because when we do this algorithm, these two are going to flip. This will flip over to here, and that'll flip over to here. This center and this center do not move. Up, up, down, down. And you can see this is matched up, this is matched up, this is matched up, and this is matched up. So the centers are now all lined up. And these corners you don't have to worry about right now. We'll be dealing with those later in the solve. Okay, this is going to be another example of what we need to do in terms of placing all of the centers in their correct locations. Now in this case, we're starting with the yellow center down here. Now basically, in this case, we normally be trying to find one of the other colors to match up here. This is where you want this at the end, not the beginning. So what we're going to be doing here is basically take one of these centers, it does not matter which, and just perform that algorithm. Up, up, down, down. This way it gets us out of here, and we can now continue with the step. And we have red, and red is right here, and we're going to repeat the algorithm. Up, up, down, down. And we have our red. We see what's here. It is purple. So rotate the puzzle so the purple's right here. And this is opposite of where it needs to go. This is opposite of where it needs to go. So we're in the scenario we need to be in to complete this step. Up, up, down, down. And this is matched up, this is matched up, this is matched up, and this is matched up. So all of the centers are now in their correct locations. Next, we're going to be permuting these centers here. So the valley that is here matches up with the valleys on the white center here. When solving this step, the goal is to get to this case here, which is one solved set of valleys and three that are not. And when you get to the step, you're going to place this solved one here in the back like this, and you're going to be performing this algorithm. Up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down. Now, as you can see here, all of the valleys are all matched up with the white centers and corners. Now when you get to the step, you might not have that case to start. You might have 3 solved valleys, 2 solved valleys that are across from each other, 2 solved valleys that are adjacent to each other, or no solved valleys. Now it doesn't matter which of these cases you have. All you need to know is that if you don't have the one solved valley case, you need to place an unsolved valley in the front. And you're going to repeat the reverse Sledgehammer algorithm until you get that case. And we have the, as I mentioned previously, we have the no solved valleys, and we'll start there. Now I'm going to, as I go through this, this part, I'm going to mention which scenario I have and how I'm going to move it. I'm then going to re-scramble that portion. I'm going to do it again, but I won't be mentioning what's what. I'm just simply going to be going through it and just showing you pretty much how easy it is to try to do that without having to worry about what case you have. So alright, so again we have the no solved. It doesn't matter which one you have because they're all unsolved. Place it like this and perform the algorithm. Up, up, down, down, up, down, down. And we're going to check what case we have, and we have the two values that are adjacent to each other. So again, actually take that back, I have the 3. My apologies, the 3 solved. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring our unsolved valley in the front and repeat the algorithm. Up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down. And let's see what we have. And we have the 2 solved valleys across from each other. And again, we're going to place an unsolved valley in front and repeat the algorithm. Up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down. And let's see what we have now. And we have our 3 unsolved and our 1 solved. So this is the case we want. Put that in the back, perform the algorithm again, and complete this step. Up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down. As you can see, all the valleys are now solved. Alright, I've re-scrambled this section. So again, we have no solved valleys. And I'm just going to go through it. I will say the algorithms, I'll move the piece, and continue until we get to the last step in terms of this. Up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down. And just take a very quick look. Again, you don't need to know which case you have, just that you don't have the one you're looking for. And then you just have to put the unsolved valley in front, or a unsolved one. Okay, we have that. And again, put a unsolved one in the front, repeat the algorithm. Okay, and again we look, and this is the case we want. So finally we get to that, we put the solved on the back, repeat the algorithm. And all the valleys are now permuted correctly with this white center. Next we will solve the yellow layer. Turn the puzzle over, excuse me, so the yellow center is facing up. There are 3 cases. I will go over each in turn. First case is that the puzzle is solved. That's not what we have here. The second case is you're going to have 2 yellow corners that look like headlights and 2 corners that are sticking outwards like this. And when you get to this case, you're going to place the headlights on the left and these 2 on the right, and you're going to be performing this algorithm, which is the Sledgehammer Algorithm. And as I've been doing previously, I'm showing the algorithm moves, but I'm also showing the direction that the pieces are going. And unlike the reverse Sledgehammer, it's going to be similar but different. We're going to be doing the centers, holding the centers that we are turning, the front center, but in this case we're going to be doing the top center. And we're going to be performing this algorithm. Down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. And we'll take a look, and all of our corners are solved, but these are not. So we're going to just hold the puzzle like this, and we're going to be performing the same algorithm but 3 times as many. So we're going to be doing this algorithm 6 times. Down, down, up, up, that's 1. Down, down, up, up, that's 2. Down, down, up, up, that's 3. Down, down, up, up, that's 4. Down, down, up, up, that's 5. Down, down, up, up. And we'll take a look. And you're going to have 2 cases when you get to this point. You're either going to have it where the puzzle's solved, or as you have in this case, these are not solved. So what you're going to do here is you're going to turn the puzzle back over so you're on the white layer. And you're going to be checking what is scrambled here and you're going to be finding that case and you're going to solve that. And in this case we have the one solved layer and one unsolved valley and the three re-speak on that one solved valley, three unsolved valleys. And we're going to do what we did before. Going to put it in the back, and we're going to perform this algorithm. Up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down. And this has been resolved. Turn the puzzle back over. And now we're going to check this puzzle again on this side. And we have the headlights again. And we're going to do the algorithm we did previously to complete these corners. Down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. Okay, and these are now solved. And again, these are not. And we're just going to hold it as we have it here. And we're going to repeat the other algorithm, which is doing this 6 times. Down, down, up, up. That's 1. Down, down, up, up. That's 2. Down, down, up, up. That's 3. Down, down, up, up. That's 4. Down, down, up, up. That's 5. Down, down, up, up. And let's take a look. And as you can see, the puzzle is solved. Now in this case, you have 2 yellow corners that are facing up that are diagonal to each other. If you have this case, what you're going to do is you're going to position these corners. So one is on the bottom left, the other is on the front, is on the top left. I'm sorry, I got that backwards. Bottom left, top right. And you're going to have this sticker here pointing out like this. So you don't want it where you have it facing you like this. You want to have it so you're having these in this position with this one facing outward to the right. And you're going to perform this algorithm. Down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. And we'll take a look, and we have headlights. So as before, we put them on the left, put these on the right, and perform this algorithm. Down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. And we have our corners back. And again, these are not solved, as is normally the case. Sometimes they will solve, most of the time they're going to be scrambled. And we're going to repeat that algorithm. Down, down, up, up. That's 1. Down, down, up, up. That's 2. Down, down, up, up. That's 3. Down, down, up, up. That's 4. Down, down, up, up. That's 5. Down, down, up, up. And that's 6. We'll take a look. And again, it is scrambled. And you're going to get it 50% of the time on that. It's either going to be scrambled or not when you're doing this. Turn the puzzle back over so it's on the right. I'm sorry, on the white layer. And we're going to take a look at what case we have. And looks like we have the ones that are across from each other. And then just, again, it doesn't matter if you just have to really just make sure it's not the one solved one. In this case, it's the 2. And then you just put the unsolved in front. Up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down. And let's take a look. And we have our one solved. Turn that over. Put that in the back. Up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down. And let's double check, and that's all set. Turn the puzzle over, and we'll take a look here, because sometimes you'll get them all solved. This happens probably about, I'd say 50% of the time, that you'll do that step and you'll have the puzzle solved. And we have that here. This is solved, these are solved, and that is solved. And there you have it, a tutorial on how to solve the Skewb Xtreme. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Until next time, have a great day.